Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. Recently I posted a video in which I flied with the broom just like Harry Potter, and I saw many comments asking me to make a tutorial video. So I am here with a tutorial video that how did I fly with doing magic editing just like Harry Potter. So let's begin. So as you guys can see, I am here with my Adobe Premiere Pro software, and here I have imported my raw video which I have shot. So before coming to the editing part, we need to see what we have to shoot actually. So here I am going to tell some of the points which I shot. So first coming up is the build up which I made, which was not necessary, but I made because I needed to some give a background or some give up a backup, because it would be weird if we started flying with the broom abruptly. So I gave a build up that Harry Potter came into my dream and da da da, which was not real, duh. So yes, then I went to my back. I went back to my area where I actually shot that I was flying. So this was a part in which a simple normal magic I did, that after countdown end, a broom came to my hands magically. So in this, it was a simple cropping out the part in that came in which I was picking up the broom. So as you can see, this was a click of finger, and here we'll just using the razor tool, we'll just cut out this part and this part in which I was picking up the broom until this. Yes, so here I will give the second mark, and we'll delete out this video using the backspace key. So it will be a simple crop like this, 3 2 1 and this. Okay, then the main part which we need to shoot comes here. So basically what we have to shoot is that we have to jump on certain places in the position which we actually fly. Like this, I jumped, and this was a bit of millisecond positions which I held up in the air, and after landing on this ground, we'll move a bit forward and then jump again. So as we land on the ground, we have to take a step forward and do that again, and we have to repeat this method in the whole path we have designated that we have to fly for this. So in that video I did a circular path, but you can do any path you wish. And yes, now comes what we have to edit, which looks like we are actually flying, because this is not looking even a 1% that I am flying. It's just looking that I am trying to fly, but it is not flying actually. So here we'll see what to edit and how to edit. So yes, so we have to cut out the part, crop out the part in which we landed on the ground and we jumped from the ground. Like basically the part which will be shown is that the moment we are held up on the ground. So as you guys can see, this is the first part in which I am pushing off the ground. So we'll not edit this out, but the moment we are going to land on the ground, we'll take a crop this one and we'll cut this out. Then again, as we move forward, and this I pushed off the ground, and just for milliseconds in which I was in air, we'll and just milliseconds in which we were in the air, we'll take this, and just before landing we'll take another part. This is a very minute task actually, but I know you all can do it. So yes, like this we have to do all the other clips. Just like this we have to do all the other clips, and I'll show you guys all the clips just in seconds. So 3 2 1. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have placed all the edited clips one after the another, and if we play this it will look something like this. Okay, so it came pretty good, but for making it easier to move from here and there, we'll just select all these clips, and by clicking right click on the mouse, an option will be there which is nest. We'll click on that, and then you can give any name to it. I am giving it flying part. Press OK. So it will become a simple video form, and it is good. But if you feel like it's a bit fast, so you can even slow it down by clicking this video, the video part, then right click, and an option will be there, speed duration. Click on that, and remember one thing, that the normal speed will be 100. If you put an value below 100, the speed will be decreased, and if you put a value above 100, the speed will be increased, it will be more faster. So we want it slower, so we'll put a bit less than 100, we'll put it 90. So let's see how it come. Okay, so it is good. So let's finish. So the main editing part is done. Now if you want to export it as an MP4 video, you just have to simply export it by using file option, file tab, then export. Yes, then export media. Then usually I do it format H.264. it is MP4 only, it will come as MP4 only. Then just one thing you should check, which I prefer, is in this video option, render at maximum depth, so it will be a best quality you will get. And in this output name, you can change the name, and you can even find the you can even browse the location you want to be the file, that's all. And then after all things settings, you just simply export it. I have already exported, so I don't need, I'll just cancel it. And yes, your final video will be there. So if you liked my video, please hit a like, and you can feel free to ask any doubts regarding this video in the comment section below. And if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and also turn on the notifications to get notified whenever I post a new video. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.